Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, this is Dropping Gems. For today's video, we will be creating an interior for persons who don't have access to software. This video is requested through one of my comments. So I'm going to be creating a journal today, an OB journal, customized with 100 pages. So let's get started. First, you're going to create your account with Canva, and then you can come click on custom design. After clicking custom design, ensure that this is changed to inches. Alright, please excuse my son, I'm at home. I'm not in my usual place. Anyway, so we're going to be doing a 6 by 9 inches. We're going to click on create design. Alright, so this is what our page is going to look like. Now, our first page is going to basically be who the book belongs to. So you're going to come and you're going to click on text. You're going to click on add a heading because you want it to be as big and as bold as possible. Alright, then you're going to add your heading. So this book belongs to, make sure it's in the center. We don't want this bold. Italize, and we're going to change the text. Let's change it to April. Just change April. We can then bold it. And if you want to appear in a different color other than black and white, you can come here and you can choose what color you want. We're not going to be doing that because we're going to create a no bleed journal, interior black and white. Now we're going to be adding our line so that whomever the book belongs to, they can add their name, or if it's being presented as a gift, they can add the name of the person right here. So good. There we have our line, and what we're basically going to do is bring it down a bit because we're going to be adding some design here. Now if you want to add some design, you can go click on elements again and you can type in what is that you want here and it will populate and you can choose. So this is what I look for. In order to adjust this, you just go just like that. And if you want to duplicate this image, you click on Alt C, which is copy, and then Alt V, which is paste. And it will be duplicated and you just drag like that. And we're going to do this one so that you can turn the image around completely. Just like this. You want to stay away from the edges as well because we don't want it to be an issue when we upload it on KDP. Okay, so this is good enough. So we have this book belongs to. I'm going to bring this down a bit as well. Bring it down a bit more. Alright, so we have our first page. Alright, now we're going to add a second page, and this is where we're going to add the actual interior for the book. So that was just the first page that you'll see when you open the book. Now you can have for the journal, remember it's just lines that the person can write. So you can first place a line so that a person can probably put the date. So you're going to adjust this so that you can write the date. Right? And then you can start adding your lines. Ensure that it's within the box size, as you can see there. And you're going to put it there. Now I'm going to ensure that this is in the box as well. So you adjust it. And one of the easy thing about this is that they're adjusting all the sizes for you, so it's not as if you have to do all the work. If you guys get what I'm saying, they've already precised it for you. So all you need to do basically is ensure that you're within the size of the box. That's it. Are we in? A little more adjusting. And there we have it. I'm going to adjust this as well. There. Now you're going to copy and paste this again. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And then we're going to drag it down. And this helps with basically you seeing what size between every page. Well, sorry, between every line. Sorry. That's it. I'm going to continue this until the entire page is full, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys what the page looks like. Right? Alright, so I'm right back. Okay, so here you have the pre-populated page. Now, in order to have this page duplicated, let's say because we're creating a 100-page journal, in order to this duplicated, what you'll do, you're going to change the grid size here. You won't be able to see it on the page not when you're counting. You can see better, alright? And you're going to click here, and it's going to have a duplicate. It's just basically going to mimic this. Once you click on duplicate, voila, or you could click Ctrl D, this is a shortcut, and it's going to duplicate. Alright guys, now I'm going to create the 100 pages, and I'll get right back to you guys. I've already created, sorry, I've already created this book pre-populated with the grid view. I just want to show you. And here we have the 100 pages. So as you can see, I didn't go through the entire thing here because I already created the book. So here we have the grid view of the 100 pages that I've already created. And when you're done here, if you want to make the book a bit more enticing, let's say you want to make it a prayer journal, what you can do in order to have the text in here, you're going to come and click on text, and then you're going to click on add the small text because you want it to show very small, and you're going to add your phrase. And this is the motivational phrase that I've placed. Don't stop until you're proud, and I placed it in uplifting commas. Alright, this is what it looks like. So in order, when you finish that, it's going to be motivational, it's going to be prayer, and so forth. When you finish that, you click on download. You change this to PDF print. You want all 100 pages. You click on download. Once it's downloaded and you open, this is what it looks like. So you have your first page, and then you have the page. If you want to place your motivational speech, you're going to have to go through page by page in order to add a text in. If not, you can leave it blank with just the lines. Both place your date and place all your other lines so that the person can write. Yeah, and that's it basically. Alright. I'll try every week to go through a design so at least you guys can create designs free to Canva if you don't have softwares. It will just take a bit more time in order to have those designs created, but you will have them saved. So if you want to combine, it will be easy for you guys. Once more, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.